KURINJI Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
KURINJI Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hello students, now we are discussing three-dimensional geometry, exercise 11.3 up to question number 12 we discussed. Next question number 13, determine whether the given planes are parallel or perpendicular, and in the case they are neither, means if they are not parallel, not perpendicular, find the angle between them. Find the angle between them. Okay, what we have to do, we have to check whether the given planes are parallel or not, given planes are perpendicular or not. If neither, we have to find the angle between the planes. We have to find angle between the planes. Okay, now if we consider two planes a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0. Okay, the planes are a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0. If these are the planes, then direction ratios of normals, okay, direction ratios of normals to these planes. First plane direction ratios of normal are a1 b1 c1 and direction ratios of normal to the plane 2 are a2 b2 c2. Okay, a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 are direction ratios of normal to the plane a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0. Okay, now two planes are parallel to each other. Okay, two planes are parallel to each other if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, these two planes are parallel if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, corresponding x quotient ratio, y quotient ratio, z quotient ratio has to be equal. Okay, now two planes are perpendicular, pi 1 perpendicular to pi 2 if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Okay, two planes are perpendicular to each other if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Okay, now if theta is angle between the planes pi 1 and pi 2, if theta is angle between the planes pi 1 and pi 2, then we have a condition, that is cos theta is equal to magnitude of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, if theta is angle between the planes pi 1 and pi 2, then cos theta is equal to magnitude of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, these are the conditions. Okay, now first question, here it is written, first question, we have to check whether these planes are parallel or perpendicular or neither. We have to find the angle between the planes. What is the first plane given? 7x plus 5y plus 6z plus 30 equal to 0. This is I will consider as pi 1. Okay, 3x minus y minus 10z plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, this is second plane equation, pi 2, pi 1 and pi 2. Okay, so here What we have? A1 is how much? 7, B1 is how much? 5, C1 is how much? 6. A2 is 3, B2 is -1, C2 is minus 10. Okay, so A1, B1, C1 are 7, 5, 6. 7, 5, 6 are A1, B1, C1. And A2, B2, C2, 3 minus 1 minus 10. 3 minus 1 minus 10. Now first of all, I'll check whether the two given planes are perpendicular or not. Okay, so for this, I'll calculate A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2. How much? A1, A2, 7 into 3, 21 plus B1, B2, 5 into minus 1. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 plus C1, C2. C1, C2 is how much? 6 into minus 10 minus 60. Okay, so 21 minus 65 is nothing but minus 44. Minus 44 is not equal to 0. Here A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is not equal to 0. So pi 1 is not perpendicular to pi 2. So two planes are not perpendicular to each other. They are not perpendicular to each other. Next, to check whether the two planes are parallel or not. So for this, we have to check A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. If these ratios are equal, then parallel, otherwise they are not parallel. Now A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is how much? A1 is 7, A2 is 3. 7 by 3, B1 by B2. B1 is 5, B2 is minus 1. 5 by minus 1 is minus 5. And C1, from here itself we can conclude that these two are not parallel to each other. Planes are not parallel to each other. Further, if you calculate even C1 by C2 also, how much we got? Minus 6 by 10. So here A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So planes are not parallel to each other. Given planes are not parallel to each other. Okay, when they are neither parallel nor intersecting, we have to find angle between the planes. Okay, let theta be the angle between the planes. Let theta be the angle between the planes. Then what it is? Cos theta is equal to magnitude of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 upon square root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into square root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Okay, so cos theta is equal to magnitude of A1 A2 7 into 3 plus B1 B2 B1 5 B2 minus 1 5 into minus 1 plus C1 C2 C1 is 6 C2 is minus 10 upon square root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. So A1 square 7 square plus B1 square 5 square plus C1 square 6 square into A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. A2 square is how much? 3 square plus B2 square is minus 1 square plus C2 square is minus 10 square. Now numerator value 21 minus 6 minus 60 minus 65 plus 21 is minus 44. Magnitude of minus 44 is 44. Numerator is 44. Now denominator how much? 49 plus 25 plus 36. Okay, 49 plus 25 plus 36, total is 110. Okay, total is 110. Now this is 110. Now here also 3 square 9 plus 1 10 plus 10 square 100. 10 plus 100 110. Okay, so square root of 110 into square root of 110 is how much? 110. Okay, so cos theta is equal to 44 by 110. Okay, by cancelling numerator and denominator by 22. Okay, numerator 22 into 2, denominator is 22 into 5, 22 cancel. So cos theta is equal to 2 by 5. Cos theta is equal to 2 by 5. So theta is equal to how much? Theta is equal to cos inverse of 2 by 5. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 2 by 5. Okay, this is the angle between these two given planes. Okay, first we have to check whether the planes are parallel or not, perpendicular or not. If they are neither, we have to find the angle between the planes. Okay, second question. Given planes are 2x plus y plus 3z minus 2 equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now what is first plane? 2x plus y plus 3z minus 2 equal to 0. Now here a1 b1 c1 are what? A1 x quotient a1 is 2, b1 is 1, c1 is 3. So a1 is 2, b1 1, c1 3. Next, second plane equation, pi 2. What is second plane equation? X minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here x quotient a2 is equal to 1, y quotient b2 is equal to minus 2. There is no z term, so 0 into z we can write. So c2 is how much? 0. c2 is 0. Okay. Now a12, b1 1, c1 3, a2 1, b2 minus 2, c2 0. Okay. Now I'll calculate a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. So how much it is? a1 a2 2 into 1 plus b1 b2 1 into minus 2 plus c1 c2 3 into 0. Okay. So 3 into 0, this is 0. 1 into 2 2 minus because plus into 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is how much? 0. So what we have here, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. So given planes are perpendicular to each other. Given planes are perpendicular to each other. Okay. The next question, third one, 2x minus 2y plus 4z plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. One plane equation is 2x minus 2y plus 4z plus 5 is equal to 0, and another plane equation is 3x minus 3y plus 6z minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. These are the two given plane equations. So first plane equation I will consider as pi 1. What is pi 1? Pi 1 is 2x minus 2y plus 4z plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Now what is a1 b1 c1? a1 is x quotient 2, b1 is y quotient minus 2, and c1 is z quotient, that is 4. Okay. a1 b1 c1. Okay. Next plane equation. Next plane equation is what? Pi 2 is 3x minus 3y plus 6z minus 1 is equal to 0. So here x quotient a2 is 3, y quotient b2 is minus 3, and z quotient c2 is 6. Okay. Now here I'll check whether the given planes are parallel or not. Okay. First of all, I'll calculate a1 by a2, b1 by b2, and c1 by c2. Okay. Now what is a1 by a2? a1 by a2, a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is how much? a1 is how much? 2, a2 is 3. a1 by a2 is 2 by 3. Next, b1 by b2. What is b1? Minus 2. What is b2? Minus 3. Minus 2 by minus 3 is nothing but 2 by 3. Okay. Next, c1 by c2. c1 by c2 is 4 by 6. Okay. 4 by 6. If you cancel 2 in numerator and denominator, what we get? c1 by c2 is 2 by 3. Now if we observe here, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 is equal to what? 2 by 3. So clearly a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay. So the given planes are parallel to each other. Given planes are parallel to each other. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then two planes are parallel to each other. Okay. Next question. Next question. Given planes are 2x minus y plus 3z minus 1 is equal to 0, and 2x minus y plus 3z plus 3 equal to 0. Now if you observe these two planes carefully, okay, now here 2x minus y plus 3z minus 1 is equal to 0, here 2x minus y plus 3z plus 3 equal to 0. Now these two planes are differ by constant only. Okay, here 2x, here 2x, minus y, plus 3z, plus 3z. Okay, here minus 1, here plus 3. So two planes are differ by constant only, means the two planes are parallel to each other. Okay, parallel planes differ by constant only. Okay, parallel planes differ by constant only. Okay, now here in C problem also, if you divide first plane by 2 and second plane by 3, so what we get here? X minus y plus 2z plus 5 by 2 equal to 0. Here x minus y plus 2z minus 1 by 3 equal to 0. So two parallel planes always differ by constant only. Okay. Now in question number D, if you observe, these two planes are differ by constant only, so the given two planes are parallel to each other. Okay. How we will write? First plane equation. Okay, 2x minus y plus 3z minus 1 equal to 0. So here a1, b1, c1 are what? a1 is 2, b1 is minus 1, c1 is 3. Now in this plane equation, 2x minus y plus 3z plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, a2, b2, c2, if you write, a2 is 2, b2 is minus 1, c2 is 3. Okay, now if you calculate a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, a1 by a2 is how much? 2 by 2, 1. b1 by b2, minus 1 by minus 1, that is 1. c1 by c2, 3 by 3 is 1. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So the given two planes are parallel to each other. Given two planes are parallel to each other. Okay, next question. Next question ma, 4x plus 8y plus z minus 8 equal to 0. This is the one plane equation. What it is? 4x plus 8y plus z minus 8 equal to 0. Another plane equation is y plus z minus 4 equal to 0. Y plus z minus 4 equal to 0. Now here, what is a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2? This is first plane. Now corresponding quotients, x quotient, y quotient and z quotient, a1, b1, c1. So a1 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to 8 and c1 is equal to 1. a1, b1, c1. And a2, b2, c2, a2, b2, c2. Here no x term, so x quotient is 0, a2 is 0, b2, y quotient 1 and c2, z quotient 1. a2, b2, c2. Okay. Now I'll check whether the given two planes are perpendicular or not. For this, calculate a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. So a1 a2 is how much? a1 a2 4 into 0 plus b1 b2 8 into 1 plus c1 c2 1 into 1. So this is 0, 8 plus 1 9. Okay, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 value is how much? 9, that is not equal to 0. So the given planes are not perpendicular to each other. Given planes are not perpendicular to each other. They are not perpendicular. So I'll check whether the planes are parallel or not. Parallel or not, because they are not parallel because here x quotient 4, here x quotient 0. So the ratio, if you take 4 by 0 and here 8 by 1, they are not equal. Okay. So if you calculate a1 by a2, a1 by a2 is how much? 4 by 0. Now here we are not dividing 4 by 0. Here we are taking only ratio. If you have comfortable with this, you write a2 by a1, b2 by b1 and c2 by c1 also. That also we can write. So here a1 by a2 is how much? 4 by 0, b1 by b2 is 8 by 1 and c1 by c2 is 1 by 1. These are not equal. Okay. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So planes are not parallel to each other. So given planes are not parallel to each other. Okay. When planes are not perpendicular and not parallel, then what we can find? We can find angle. Okay. Now let theta be the angle between the planes. Let theta be the angle between the planes. Then what it is? Formula cos theta is equal to magnitude of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay. Now here cos theta is equal to what is a1 a2 ma? a1 is 4, a2 is 0, 4 into 0 plus b1 b2 8 into 1 plus c1 c2 1 into 1. This is numerator. Denominator square root of a1 square 4 square plus b1 square 8 square plus c1 square 1 square into a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square is a2 square 0 square plus b2 square 1 square plus c2 square again 1 square. Now numerator 0, 8 plus 1 9. Okay, numerator 9. Denominator how much might is 16 plus 64. 16 plus 64 80, 80 plus 1 is 81. Square root of 81 into square root of 2. Square root of 81 into square root of 2. Now square root of 81 is what? 9. So numerator 9, denominator 9 cancel. So cos theta is equal to how much? 1 by root 2. Cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2 means theta is equal to how much? Cos inverse of 1 by root 2. Okay, cos inverse of 1 by root 2 value is how much? Pi by 4. So angle between these two planes is how much? Pi by 4. Angle between these two planes is pi by 4. Okay. But next, before going to next problem, before going to next problem is find distance between a point and plane. Find distance between point and plane. Okay, first of all we'll discuss the formula. Okay, next we'll discuss the problems. Okay, distance between the point P x1 y1 z1, distance between the point P x1 y1 z1 and the plane ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. Okay, distance between the point P x1 y1 z1 and the plane ax plus by plus cz is equal to d is given by magnitude of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus d upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, distance between the point P x1 y1 z1 and the plane ax plus by plus cz is equal to d is given by magnitude of ax1. In place of x you write x1, in place of y you write y1, in place of z you write z1. So ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus d upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so this is the formula to find out distance between point and plane. Okay. Okay ma, we will conclude up to here. We will continue remaining problems in next class. Thank you.